If regular push-ups feel too difficult, boring, or just leave you sore, the lazy push-up might be exactly what you need to build pain-free strength. This unique push-up is more than just aimlessly pushing against a wall. In this video, I'll show you 3 key steps that make it the perfect exercise for people over 50. Skip these steps and you'll miss out on building youthful strength from elasticity, what I call fascia strength. And make sure to watch to the end. You'll see a special guest perform the lazy push-up with incredible ease, a beautiful display of fascia strength. But first, let's take a look at the first important step of the lazy push-up. All right, the first key step to doing a good lazy push-up, and I call it the lazy push-up because we're pushing off the wall in a lazy way, meaning we're not using a lot of effort with our muscles. We're using our elasticity so it feels easy, kind of lazy feeling as you just bounce off the wall with your body's elasticity, your fascia strength. To do that, we need a good setup. That's the first important step, is to get in good alignment. Okay, we're going to suspend the head. The head is high, the crown of the head. Make sure the chin is level. A lot of you will cock your head here. That's no good. Keep that chin level. Crown is suspended high. Shoulders are down and back. Head is high, shoulders down. We get a stretch in the spine and the fascia wetsuit up and down. Stretch internally stretch the chest in the back. Just think wide, broad shoulders, but relaxed. There's not tension in this. I don't want slack. If I have slack in the system, I can't access fascia strength. There's no elasticity there. And if I do internal stretch up and down and side to side, but I'm full of tension, I'm like a brick then. I have very little elasticity. Step 2, I'm going to load the spring by falling onto my hands. So the setup here is, get a couple feet away from the wall, maybe 3 feet most, somewhere 2 or 3. You can play with that a little bit. Your feet are about shoulder width apart, and I'm going to fall onto my hands, just like that. And I'm going to keep in that very good alignment. All right, I'm keeping the fascia wetsuit stretched. And when I land, what I want to happen is I say load the spring. I want to keep my shoulders down, and the force from the wall that goes through my hands as it hits, it's going to go through my arms to my shoulders. Now again, my shoulders are connected, they're down instead of like riding up into my ears. And because they're down, that force goes now down through my body all the way to my feet. So I want the force of the wall to end up at my feet. I can't fall onto my hands and have my shoulders in tension up riding into my ears. If I do that, I am disconnected and the force will not go to my feet for that rebound effect. So I'm in my good alignment and I fall on just like that. Keep the shoulders down, head is suspended, chest is wide, back is wide, just like that. Now the other thing, what happens when I fall into my hands, my heels come up and my weight is on the balls of my feet and my toes. Just like that. Don't cave your back like a lot of people when you do this, okay? You want to keep your structure just like this. The other thing, don't land on the butts of your hands, the heels of your hands. Be more on the pads of your hand and the fingertips a little bit. The heel of the hand will touch the wall, but maybe only 30%. There's more on the pads of your hands, more weight, just like that. If you have too much on your heels of your hand, it's kind of like the heels of your foot. There's no elasticity in that. It's more like no shock absorption, so you're going to clunk onto the wall like a brick. Step 3. Step 3 is we're going to release the spring as we push off. So what's going to happen, and it's a little bit of a timing thing, and you'll get it after a while, is when your hands hit the wall as you fall, that force is going to go down your body all the way down to your feet. Your heels are going to come off, and then it's going to bounce back up as you push off. And as the ground force pushes back up into you, the timing of you pushing off is going to allow you to spring off the wall and use very little shoulders and chest muscles. So I'll do a few for you. So right there I can feel my feet very much. That force came from my hands through my shoulder, down my body to my feet. So when I push off, sure, I'm using a little bit of shoulders and chest and triceps like a bench press or a push-up, but because that elasticity is coming from the ground back up, I'm using less and less. And as you get better, you'll notice that you feel like you're just bouncing off the wall, like you could do it all day. And it's very little effort from your chest and shoulder muscles. Make sure you're breathing. And find a rhythm. Find a rhythm in the movement. Just like that. Now at first what I'd like you to do is do so you can get like a set of 10 and find a rhythm. And once you get, you do several days of this and you start finding a rhythm and it feels natural, then start testing yourself a little bit where you'll do 5 reps, but on the 5th rep, you push off a little harder with a little more oomph using that spring-loaded power to push you back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one. Go ahead and just push yourself off. And you'll have to take a few steps back. And you can do sets of 5 like that. If you're uncomfortable doing that because it's too aggressive and you're worried about your balance, don't do it. Just do sets of 10. Maybe like 3 sets of 10, find a rhythm, and get so you're effortlessly just bouncing off the wall. Next, let's switch gears and take a look at my special guest, a 1st grade boy named Herc, show off his lazy push-up. I've been coaching him and his dad for several months.
Okay, Herc, let's see that lazy push-up we've been working on.
You got it.
All right. Get your feet in position. Keeping those shoulders down, right? And the head suspended.
Yep.
Getting a nice little bounce off the wall. The heels come up and absorbing that force right through your body, down to your toes. Great. It's important to get a nice rhythm, right?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Now let's go a little bit faster, just a couple of faster ones with that same rhythm. Get a bigger bounce. All right, Herc. That looked great. How'd that make you feel?
Incredible Hulk.
Just like the Incredible Hulk?
Yep.
Oh, wow. He's a powerful guy. What would you do if you had his kind of powers?
I would help people.
Beautiful. All right, that's awesome.
It's fun to watch Herc kicking butt on his lazy push-up. Notice how he wasn't muscling the movement like most adults do. Instead, he was using his body's natural elasticity to bounce off the wall. Watching Herc is a reminder for us older people. That kind of springy, effortless strength is somewhere inside us. And that's exactly what my Fascia Strength system is designed to bring back. Here's what Losha, a 66-year-old woman, said after trying lazy push-ups. I tried this and it felt great. I've been doing your exercises for a little over a month and I'm so much stronger and more flexible. If you want to take lazy push-ups to the next level, start doing the Fast Start workout in my Fascia Strength and Power program. It's just a short 10-minute routine you can do daily designed to activate your elasticity, your fascia strength. Immediately after the 10-minute workout, try a set of 10 or so lazy push-ups. You'll likely notice you're bouncing off the wall with less effort and more elasticity. I'll leave the link for the Fascia Strength and Power program in the description box below. That's it for today. See you on the next video.